Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on motion smoothness mode in our Samsung Galaxy S22. To turn on motion smoothness of our screen animations, we have to go to settings, then under display we have motion smoothness right here. It should be turned on by default, but if for whatever reason is turned off or we changed it some time ago, we can just turn it here, apply, and now our screen looks and feels a little bit smoother at the cost of our battery life. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.